Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So we're going to switch it up a little bit today. As you guys can see, I got a pretty big package that got delivered today. Switching it up, going to build a race car, real race car, not a car from the street. I'm going to build one. We're going to do it from the ground up. So to get started from there, before we open the box, I'm going to show you a couple things I've been doing. It's going to be a Volkswagen. So you guys saw we're into Volkswagens. You know, I decided I wanted to build a drag car and from the ground up. So got a package here today from Ron Lamas Racing. Basically the kit. So we'll be unboxing this, I guess. I mean, or whatever I can do. I don't know if it's nailed or screwed down. But anyway, we'll get into that. A couple other things I've been doing. So I have this EP3 that I've been stripping. If anybody wants anything from that, that's about to get out of here. And as you can see, I am building a jig. So I'm not the best at this. I'm not the best at welding. But we're building a jig for the car based off of what I think we can use. This may work. This may not work. I'm not sure. You know, if we have to add more piping, we will to support it. I'll put some weight. I am going to take these wheels off and put plates. I got plates there to weld. So it's just going to come down a little bit more. It's going to be solid there. So that's what we're doing on here. So let's get to the unboxing. I got a couple boxes that we got here today. So I'm going to show you guys that. You know, I do have an engine for the car already. It's not built, but it is a block. I'm not going to show you guys that until the chassis is done and we put it all together and I have the engine on the car with the tires and stuff. So you're going to have to wait for that to see what I go with, but it is over there by the welder and a couple other things. So I'm going to get a drill for this, try to drill this out and see what we got going on there. All right, let's see. Good wood. I'll probably use this if I need it. What's that? Is it more? I believe so. All right, I have one more screw left. Oh, there's one here. Take that out. My pocket. There it is. Well, that was a little less than what I thought. Oh boy, this is going to be a lot. All right, so okay, here's the see a couple pipes moved. Here's the beam. This goes to the beam. Head bar. Door bars. Door bars. That's the main hoop. This car looks small. And while I was there. Not there, I'm sorry. When I ordered, I did go back and ordered some ladder bars. So we're going to be running a ladder bar setup. So on the Volkswagens, I guess you can run IRS or swing arm. I'm going to run a swing arm setup on it. Oh, here's the shock mounts. So it does have shock mounts. I just have to get 2 more for when we get the car going. So they're not notched, so that's going to be... I did buy a tool notcher, but I have somebody coming. He's going to take a look at everything and see where we start. Of course, I've been looking at some people starting on these or chassis. Of course, the floor pan or the bottom of the chassis is going to be the first thing that we are going to start on and then work our way up. I'm guessing that's the right scenario to go for it. So, but the ladder bars look amazing. Look at those welds. Ron Lamas Racing. I'll put a link in the description below. They're not sponsoring me or none of that stuff, but I mean, they've been around in the business for a long time. I did miss out on a discounted price in Christmas, but I wasn't thinking about it in Christmas, but that's okay. You know, it's still all worth it, of course. Look at this. This is sick work. So, wonder, I'm going to guess the Heim joints are in here. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. So, let me find something to open that up real quick. All right. What did you send me, Ron? Vintage Speed catalog. I don't know what Vintage Speed. I guess they do other products, or they're all the one company. So pretty cool stuff. Greetings. All kinds of stuff. Exhaust. What's this? Oh, well, look at this. You guys will also, and that's what the car is Karmann Ghia chassis kit, beam front end, face shield, eye protection, gloves, very nice, bench vise, electric hand grinder, tape measure, 4 feet level, and a bunch of other cool stuff. TIG, MIG, it's definitely going to be TIG welded, so, bar, NHRA rule book, cool, parts list, everything's there, pretty interesting. Oh wow, lay out the main frame rails as shown in the chassis floor view blueprint, be sure to, anyway, yeah, I'm guessing the bottom will be first. Is there a blueprint in here? Where's that up? At the back? Am I missing something? I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure we can put this. This is definitely not like Legos, so you can't just snap it together. What we got going on in here? Perfect. Oh, okay, so these will go to the beam, which I have the beam right here. That's in this box. Here are the Heim joints for the ladder bars, and then also the brackets for the ladder bars. So on this car, I'm guessing there's going to be in the rear end by the main hoop, going to be a bar up top, bar on the bottom. These will go in there. Ladder bars will go. I got the axles are coming in, so axles are coming in. I have to find a dummy transmission, or just, you know, just get a transmission for it and get all that lined up, so at least the rear will be lined up. That's why I wanted the beam to get lined up, and then we'll go from there. So there's all that right here. Here's the beam. Ended up getting some strange coilover shocks, and these are just single adjustable coilovers. I think these are, oh, sorry. Anyway, they go pretty far. I got the springs for those. And so that will be for, I'm not sure if today's video is going to end here or not, you know. Maybe I'll record with the guy that's coming tomorrow. We can take a look at it and start thinking of what we're going to do. So we'll see. I'm not sure about that yet. Again, here's the beam on a Volkswagen. I ended up getting this. I think this came from Canada. I forgot what the company is. CIP1.com. So pretty good price on that. That beam is also custom, and it's 2-inch narrowed kingpin beam, and it has adjustable too for it, so I'll show you guys that another time. But here it is right here, man. So that's where we're gonna start it. Hopefully that works out. It's gonna go from here to there. It's being built. Take this away, drop it down, and then find a body one day for it and go from there. But again, not sure if I'm gonna end the video right here, but I just wanted to show you guys this is a new project that's going on. It's gonna be a long project, so hopefully I can keep up the contact from that. Go from there.